Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today will be a review and a DIY on my new obsession, the Salon Dip Style System by Kiss. This kit cost me about $20 from Walmart and it's everything you will need. I got the color Lysine and now we're going to go over what's actually in the kit. Sorry for the shakiness of the camera. My tripod wasn't really that stable. But it has a nice little layout when you open it. You can see the dipping cup for your finger. It actually fits really well. That's the activator. Next we have the brush softener, the base gel, the top gel, and it comes with some extra brushes. I guess if yours get old, I just put those to the side. A sponge that you'll need, a nail file. Those are the instructions, obviously. The actual dip powder itself, and a stick. Again, the color that I got is Lysine. I've already prepped my nails and added some extensions. If you would like to see that process, you can actually watch my last video. According to the instructions, you were supposed to pour a little bit of the powder into the dipping cup. As you can see, I was having a little problem trying to open it, so I just kind of skipped to it already being poured. First thing you want to do is apply some of the base gel. Make sure that you only apply it to the nail and not the cuticles and skin. Then dip full nail into the powder. I just wanted to make sure that my whole finger was into the powder. And then after that, I took it out and I, kind of hit the excess powder off of it. After doing that, you're supposed to brush off the excess powder that was on your nail with the sponge. I was about to do it wrong, so I decided to read the instructions where it says use a sponge and brush off your nail. Now here I have made a mistake and jumped the gun and applied the activator. After reading more of the instructions, you're supposed to do 2 to 3 layers of just the base gel and the dip powder, and then apply 2 layers of the activator. Even though I only did 1 layer, it still turned out well. It gave it a translucent look that I liked, so I wasn't too mad about it. So I basically did the wrong steps to all my nails. If one of them won't look right, then they all not gonna look right. But I like I said, it turned out well in the end. What you're gonna see here is that I dipped it and then try to brush it off way too fast. I would let it sit. It doesn't really say let it sit, but I suggest letting it sit before actually sponging off the excess powder. And of course, again, I did not read the instructions well. They also said to wipe the brush onto a napkin before returning it to the bottle. This helps the products last longer. As you can see, I did not do that. We are all human, so we make mistakes. This is just a video of me just doing everything wrong, but well, not everything, but a lot of things wrong, but it turned out right in the end, so I'm good. Next, after doing it incorrect, I filed the nails down to give them a smooth look. This is actually what the instruction says, so I am no longer doing it incorrect. Last, I applied the top coat, and now you're all done. As you can see, I went to go get some nail accessories because I like to be extra. I don't like just plain nails. As you're going to see, I covered my ring fingers with these colorful rhinestones that I had, and I applied about 2 coats of this gel-like clear polish to seal them in place. Overall, I love this product. I give it a 10. Even when I did it wrong, it still turned out right. I would definitely recommend this if you are in a pinch for time. It took me about only 20 minutes, and like I said, I really love these nails. So yeah, I will definitely do it again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.